Bargain Hunt returns to BBC One with David Harper offering his advice to the red and blue teams. The antiques expert, from Middlesbrough, is also an artist, public speaker and writer. His first TV role was in 2005 when he presented Channel 4's series Natural Born Dealers. The expert has since featured on shows including Through the Keyhole, Ready Steady Cook, and Countryfile Summer Diaries. David is also known for his charity work, and in 2010 he won the first series of Antiques Road Trip, raising £2,488 for children in need. More recently, the star is known for being an expert on Bargain Hunt, Put Your Money Where Your Mouth Is and Cash in the Attic. However, he decided to step down from his Bargain Hunt role in 2020, saying it was time for him to move on. He had an interesting childhood, having grown up in both England and Zimbabwe. One of his earliest jobs included shipping antiques to and from the US. Don't miss: Richard Madeley admits Judy's sleeping in the spare room over pests. Video: Emmerdale's Paddy sinks into deep depression over baby loss. Grief. Insight: Corey's Daniel Brocklebank absolutely devastated over co-star's exit. Interview: This led to him becoming director of a company importing antique-style rubberwood furniture from the Far East. David fell in love with antiques and history when he was 5 years old, and he has been collecting, studying, buying, selling and writing about them ever since. His broadcasting career began in 1999 on BBC local radio with live antiques valuation phone-ins. As for his writing career, his fun history for adults book A Romp with the Georgians has been made into a theatre stand-up show. He is also due to release a second book, A Jolly Good Bash with the British Empire, this year. The star is also a modernist painter and sculptor, and his work features in collections around the world. He has pieces at both the Haynes International Motor Museum and the James Herriot Museum. Bargain Hunt airs on weekdays on BBC One at 12:15 p.m.